new babe.
So what's good, TMG fam? Listen, I know y'all out here amongst this frenzy and y'all need a minute to just disconnect. You need positive vibes, energy sent your way. I got you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got you, fam, because somehow somebody was able to tap in or hack our systems, create this massive like gas frenzy. It just baffles my mind. It baffles my mind at this point, man. You got people showing up to gas stations and Ford pickups with jugs, filling up jugs, man. You got people just putting gas, trying to put gas in plastic bags. Like, I'm almost embarrassed to say I breathe the same air as some of these people that are putting gas in bags in different places, man. It's hilarious, man. It's hilarious. It's hilarious, to say the least. But anyway, we're going to get into a video, man. Hopefully this kind of takes your mind off of it, all right? Something crazy, silly, dumb, all that kind of stuff, all the above. This is funny text messages. Shout outs to the channel Fainted, man. They be coming through with some dope stuff sometimes. You know what I'm saying? We kind of had the back and forth about the Discord. This was from this channel. So this one is funny text messages number 3. Here we go.
Hey, what's up? I got a question. If time is money, then are ATM machines time machines?
Ooh, no. No, stop it. Stop.
Smart. Never really looked at it that way, but they got a very good point. Hey, what's up, QTs? My name's Fainted, and today we're going to be taking a look at the funniest text messages ever. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's go. Also, please subscribe, and I'll give you a free cookie. 100% legit, bro. Message to my crush.
That wasn't creepy. that was give you a free cookie. Just getting back in this van with no windows in it and it's plastic on the floor. Yeah. Like, don't do that ever in life again, bro.
What is the missing vowel? A-E question mark O-U. I. What is the opposite of hate? Love. What is the opposite of me? My boyfriend. Oh. Which nation do you most identify with? Fire, earth, water, or air? Russia. I'm leaving. I challenge you to a duel. On guard. Play Gmod, they said. It won't get weird, they said. Nice little YouTube video. This is why you need a PC. Dude, it's freaking 11 o'clock. And it doesn't matter what time it is. You should be getting a PC just so you can play Gmod gameplay like this. The bloke from the B movie really be vibing. Can we go to the gym tomorrow? Sure, Abby. Baby. Oh boy, here we go. And she starts typing. You will die in 5.
Hey, anytime you see that pop up on the screen and it's sitting there for a while, oh, they about to give you that essay, bro. That essay is coming, fam. I just automatically just put my phone down. I do, man. I do. Matter of fact, oh man, Queen is texting me now. State of emergency. This is coming from Queen, mind you. State of emergency. Now, 60% of gas gone. Crazy. Anyway.
4, 3. Also, how do parents punish a blind kid? Please stop messaging me. Who is asking these kind of questions? And over text message as well. If you want to ask something like that, you should probably do it in a very deep, dark forest where the government isn't watching you. And don't do it over text message from boyfriend. Hey, we need to talk. One sec, I just got a package. Great. I mean, cool. I don't want to be your boyfriend anymore. Open the package. OMG, it's a diamond ring. It says, I don't want to be your boyfriend anymore. I want to be your husband. Marry me. Yes, I will.
Y'all better stop playing Russian roulette, bro. That could have went totally sideways. That could have went, oh man, y'all better quit playing like this. Just keep it simple, stupid. That's all I'm gonna say.
I don't normally say this, but that's cringe. Message from Bailey, brackets Tinder. Ooh. OMG, yeah, I can come over later. Sweet, you can pick the movie. How tall are you? 5'7". Why? Nothing, just wondering. Oh my gosh, my friend is stuck at the airport and I have to go get her tonight. I'm so sorry. Makes sense. Can we please pay some respects in the comments right now for the 5'7" kings? I like how we complete each other's sentences. That's why I need you. Forever. Aww. You were so drunk last night. What? No, I wasn't. Dude, you ran up to this huge biker guy with a beard and shouted, Hagrid, you're real! Oh, smokes. What did he do? Hugged you. That explains the faint scent of smoke on my jacket. A small price to pay for a hug. So this is how it's done these days. Might need to follow this tutorial. I could deal with one of those right now. How do I tell Chris I like him though? These things are hard. You just did, Ellie. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. That was to Jenna. Her name isn't even close to mine though. Did you send this on purpose to me? Don't worry if you did. Maybe. Does that mean you like me too? No. Revive. We need a revive on aisle 3. What is that?
No, we don't. Let people like that just fade out. Let it fade out. You had the audacity to try that. Didn't work. Fade away.
P.S. Is this a praying mantis? Yes. Don't have SCX of it. It will eat you after. Good call. It was looking at me all seductive-like. Yep. That's how they get you. What? A mantis looking at you in a seductive manner. Wow. This is a new Kung Fu Panda movie I haven't heard about.
It's weird.
I love you. What the frick? Sorry, I sneezed and hit the keyboard. I'm allergic to bull. Oof. That burn is gonna leave a mark. I just killed someone in the cafeteria, and I think someone saw me. What'd I tell them? Since when do you play Among Us? What is Among Us? Oh, emergency! You're telling me this dude has just killed someone in the cafeteria, and it wasn't in Among Us? Uh-oh. Hey, wanna go out with me? Yes? Say yes. No. Find my brother who's been missing for 2.5 decades. Hey, found him in a dumpster. Please. I just want a GF. This dude thought he was being smart. He thought he was gonna make it impossible for her to say no.
Hey ladies, y'all winning right now. Y'all winning. Y'all really winning in this game.
But yeah, didn't go to plan. Somebody please give this guy a girlfriend. He's desperate. Get your freaking stuff together and act like an adult. Think you've the wrong number, but you're right. Who wants to be my girl? Read your name. Nobody. So sad. Even getting rejected on the Among Us game. That's painful. Wife on the phone with husband. I don't know what to do. It's so cold and the car doesn't turn on. And now the dashboard is showing a picture of a man taking a poop. Come quickly. What? Can you send me a photo? Sure, here it goes. -4 degrees.
I wish I could say, nobody's that dumb. I wish I could say that, man. But the stuff I've been seeing as of late, I can't say it.
Wow, it actually does kind of look like somebody taking a poop, though.
It does a little bit. I'll take it back. It does a little bit. But still, come on now.
Nice. Imagine her husband actually had to get up and come take this massive journey to see her, try and fix this car. He looks at the dashboard and it just says, -4 degrees. And he's like, really, babe? Brought me out all this way for that? Thanks. I just sat on the toilet and farted for like 5 minutes straight. Thought I had to go, but literally just farted for the longest time. Thought I should share that with you. #true love. I'm dying. Lol. No, this guy's probably dying after that absolute mess he created in the bathroom. Oof, it is time. What? Wait, wrong person. What the frick? Hey, how you doing, baby? Don't call me that, please. Calm the frick down. I'm not mad, I just don't like getting called baby by anyone but my boyfriend. Cool story, bro. It's obviously a joke. Like, relax. Lol, have fun with your imaginary boyfriend, though. Loser. Well, they tried to send through that message, but actually did get blocked. Ouch. Let's not vote randomly. Tell that to America. Message to Dad. Hey, Dad. Hi, son. Please tell me how I was born. Well, That's a long story, son. Then tell me in short. Oh no.
He says, come on, man. If you lob it up there, you alley-oop it up for me. I'ma dunk it, bro. You alley-oop that up for your pops, fam. He had to come back and respond like this.
Oh no, those emojis. But let's not pretend that any grown adult actually knows how to use emojis. It's not possible. They don't understand the technology. What even am I looking at right now? We got a bunch of little gingies from Shrek, some milk, and the Cookie Monster. From me point of view, Jedi is evil. Don't make me eat you. Me have brought peace and cookie and freedom and justice to me new empire. Your new empire. This is not a crossover I was expecting, to be honest, at the start of this video. Cookie Monster, Star Wars, and the gingerbread bloke from Shrek. Okay. That'd actually be quite a good little movie if they could somehow spin off all of those together. A ganging chair. Yes, ganging. XD, the perfect chair for ganging up on people. Exactly. Y'all better be careful. How does that even happen? I don't actually know, but it has happened to people before. The meat beats you. Some dude did it 62 times and died. So the limit is 61. Let's go! McDonald's Wi-Fi gang. I'm gonna take it as McDonald's Wi-Fi gang. What's the McDonald's Wi-Fi actually like? What are the speeds hitting? 500 gigabyte per second XDDD download. A moment of silence for our combined.
I guess back in the day, I could have considered myself that because I used to roll up on McDonald's and use the heck out of their Wi-Fi. Serious, I'm telling you, bro.
And IQ of 2, and of chromosomes combined to 6. XY. I don't know science. I don't either. The chromosomes are the X's and the Y's, right? No. With the gender stuff, they are LM and AO. Lamau. Whoa, look at that. It looks like the internet was right. There is a hot chick in my area. Well, this must be the first time in human existence.
If you got a friend like that, disown him. Don't respond to his text messages. Just tell him you don't want to be friends no more. You send me that, bro. Yeah, we're done. We're not cool no more. Don't do that.
Where someone has seen one of those really...
It looks like the internet was right. There is a hot chick in my area. This fool sends a picture of a chicken in the oven. I'm done, man. I'm done. This wraps up the type of day or week or year since last year. Yeah.
Dodgy ads being like, oh hey, there's hot chicks in a local area near you and they want to meet up. This guy's actually done it. He's found it. He's found the hot chick. And it looks tasty. Available. Halloween cute inflatable polar bear doll costume. Bro, give me your address. Please tell me this dude isn't asking for this guy's address so he can send him the Halloween cute inflatable polar bear doll costume. If that turns up at your door, your wife's leaving you. Or if you don't have a wife and you live in your mom's basement, you're getting kicked out of the house. Good afternoon, miss. Would you perhaps like to have a nice chat with me? Hello. Just stop with the miss, lol. Also married, so I'm not miss. Just trying to be nice. Also, I know you are married. No need to stuff it in my face. I said, good afternoon, not date me. Perhaps be less presumptuous. Just pointed out the fact that it would be Mrs. Just don't like the stuff. Like it's too formal and stuff. You are the type of female who just go for tall, blonde, blue-eyed white man. I would appreciate you, because I know how to treat Asian women. Once you get bored with you, he will dump you, which I will never do. I would do any...
This is an actual text back and forth.
Anything to have Asian wife like you. What? This is probably the first time I've ever seen someone on Discord.
Oh, this is a Discord. I told y'all, man. I told y'all, if y'all not on your kids on Discord, bro, pay attention.
Say that they're married, but like who messages someone knowing that they're married being like, hey, your husband's gonna dump you. I'd never do that. I'd do anything to have you. Hey, are you still coming over to watch a movie later? Yeah, I can come over. Sweet, you picked the movie. How tall are you? 5'11", lol. Why? Nothing, just wondering. OMG, I forgot I have to take my dog to the vet tonight. I'm sorry. Wait.
What is this whole height thing that's going on?
5'11"? Okay, now this is an even bigger L, bro. I didn't think 5'11" was small, man. Come on. It's called the Hobo Skillet. Bacon, sausage, veggies, 3 eggs over easy, chorizo, and gravy. Everything but the gravy sounds bomb. Gravy is the best part. Yuck. It's so thick, too. Good luck keeping a boyfriend around. Am I missing something, or is she saying, good luck keeping a boyfriend because you don't like gravy? That's right, guys. If you think gravy is thick and yucky, your boyfriend's gonna leave you. Just be aware of that, okay?
Bacon, sausage, veggies, 3 eggs over easy, chorizo. I don't even know what a chorizo is. And gravy? Yeah, nah.
Yeah, no thanks. I don't even know why I said anything. Cause you're not even that pretty anyways. You girls wanna complain about all your heartbreaks, but don't even wanna give nice guys a freaking chance. No wonder you're crying
He sounds like a future murderer.
all the time. And then when you finally come to your senses, it's gonna be too late. I'll be living it up. I'm not even mad, to be honest. I'm totally cool. Honestly, I feel bad for you, because you're gonna regret it. You think other guys are gonna give you a chance? Lol.
Having an entire conversation with himself. Huh? That don't scream serial killer to you. Okay.
Whatever. Good luck with your life. That's definitely one way to handle getting rejected. What's the odds this was some dude on like a PvP Minecraft server, managed to get the phone number of a random girl, text her, hey, wanna hang out? She says no, and then this happens. Hey bro, who is this? This is Johnny, Amy's boyfriend. Oh word, what's up? I'm gonna be straight with you. I know you're her side piece, and been seeing her. I'm cool with that. She happy? I'm happy. Cause I'm freaking with someone else too. So I was finna ask if you can chill with her on Saturday, so I can take my other girl out.
Welcome to 2021. That's how y'all doing it out here these days. Hey, I know you're a side dude, but it's cool because I got somebody on the side too. So long as she happy, I'm happy. Just keep her happy, and when I'm out, keep my other chick. What kind of... Yo, welcome to 2021, man. Y'all thought 2020 was bad? Yeah, 2021 said, hold my beer.
Baba Bowie.
I got you. What time though? I've never seen something like this before. It's like, yep, your girlfriend's cheating on you, but it doesn't matter because you got a side piece as well. And then you hit up your girlfriend's side piece being like, yo bro, do you mind just...
Yeah, bro, what you got something going on today? Come on, man, come get her. Can you please come get her? I got stuff to do. Can you come get her? Huh?
taking her out, getting her off my hands so I can go out with my other piece. Thanks. That's some definite relationship problems right there. Message from Crush XX. Hey, remember that up sexy smell at school last Monday? The what? The up sexy? What's up sexy? Nothing much. You? Flirt. What a champ. Anyway.
No.
Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, click on the screen and subscribe.
No wonder a lot of y'all are single and in Discord. If these are the lines that y'all throwing out these days, bro. Oh my gosh. It would have been so many girls for the pickings back in the day for me if y'all was doing this type of stuff. Jeez. I feel sorry for some of y'all ladies. Y'all have to sift through the weeds, bro, to get to somebody that y'all think is acceptable. Y'all have to sift through the weeds, fam. I feel sorry for y'all. Just look what he said. Hey, you remember the up sexy smell at school last Monday? The what? The up sexy smell. What's up, sexy? Nothing much. You? I'm done.